What's up everyone, it's Mick here from Cloud9 Trades. I hope you are all doing very well. Today I'm going to be walking you through what divergences are and how to identify them. First, let's start with the bullish divergence. This is where we have a lower low in price with a higher low in the indicators. The RSI, the MACD, and the CVD is what I'm using here. This signals an exhaustion in selling with a potential reversal to the upside. Next, we have a bearish divergence. This is where we have a higher high in price with a lower high in the oscillators. This signals an exhaustion in buying with a potential reversal to the downside. Next, we have a hidden bullish divergence. This is where we have a higher low in price with a lower low on the oscillators. And what this means is that selling pressure is actually greater at this higher low, but we're still holding price above the initial low before. That is bullish and signals a potential trend continuation up. And finally, we have a hidden bearish divergence. This is where we have a lower high in price with a higher high in the oscillators. And what this means is that buying pressure is actually greater at this lower high, but we're still holding price below this initial high before. And that is bearish, and that signals a potential trend continuation down. I would like to note as well that you don't need to see the divergence on all of the oscillators. Seeing it on just one in a lot of cases is enough. However, if you do see it on multiple or even all of them, that's just another level of confluence that you can use for your trade entry. And this is the one technical that I use for every single trade. You will not see me taking a trade without identifying divergences. And how I go about implementing this is once I see one of my trade ideas or key levels hit, I will then take a look to see if there are any divergences. I prefer to look at the higher time frames and make my way down. So if I'm looking for a day trade or a swing trade, ideally I'll start on the 4-hour time frame, and then as I work my way down to the lower time frames, like the 1 hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, the 5-minute, etc., I like to confirm that these time frames are also saying the same thing. And this is what gives me confidence in being able to enter my trade. And just to note as well, there are times where you could have the perfect trade setup, right? With 5 different levels of confluence, you have a golden pocket, you have an MPOC, you have an anchored VWAP, you have a trend line, you have a weekly level. But if the divergence isn't there, it just won't work out. And you can test that yourself, and that's why divergences for me are my go-to. My bottom line, no matter what trade that I'm entering, this is the one technical that I will use above all else. And it takes a bit of time to be able to accurately identify them, but once you've mastered it, your trading, I can almost guarantee you, will be much better. And that's it. I hope you found value from this divergences tutorial. If you did find this helpful, like and comment below and subscribe so you can stay up to date with my future trading tutorials. And if you also want me to cover any other trading tutorials, let me know in the comments and I will create a video for you and post it here. I also have exclusive trading bonuses in the caption below, so check that out. And down there I do have my Discord invite link as well, which is free, where I give daily Bitcoin and altcoin trade setups and updates for free. And also I have an archive of educational content to help you with your trading. And this will continue to be updated over time. So if that's something you're interested in, come on in, say hi, and thanks for watching. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.